Abdul Sattar Edhi was the founder of Edhi Foundation, a non-profit organization that operates hospitals, orphanages, and rehabilitation centers in Pakistan. Abdul Sattar Edhi was born on 28 February 1928 in Bantwa, Gujarat. He was a British Indian during partition of Pakistan and India. Edhi and his family fled to newly independent dominion of Pakistan and settled in Karachi. He was a courageous man. He was not rich, but he was having that courage and power to do something for Pakistan. He was registered as a guardian of nearly 20,000 adopted children, of whom he was a caretaker. In recognition of his humanitarian work, Edhi received numerous awards, including 1986 Roman Magsaysay Award for Public Service. He has created an extremely developed network of aid units, both fixed and mobile, which have allowed humanitarian actions to take place also in other countries. He was also known as Angel of Mercy in Pakistan and received most respect from the people. Abdul Sattar Edhi was married in 1965 to Balqees Edhi. She was also referred to as the mother of Pakistan. He died on 8th July 2016 at the age of 88 in Karachi.